faith he stood in power, and that giant had to fall. The Israelite people rivaled by a wall, but when the people shouted, that wall it had to fall. 'Cause there is a sound that makes walls fall down. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. Release the sound. Release the sound. Hey, I can't hear you. Hey, release the sound. What about Paul and Silas behind the prison walls? But when they started singing, those walls they had to fall. Sound makes walls fall down. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. There is a sound that makes walls fall down. Release the sound, yeah. Release your praise in this place, yeah. The crucified Jesus was buried in the tomb. Thank God his life was over, but 3 days will fill the tomb.